today I'm come with one interesting video which I have created recently, which is actually WhatsApp agent. So we already have a WhatsApp connectivity. Previously we already developed WhatsApp connectivity options where Odoo and WhatsApp both are working together directly using the bridge, and the bridge is created on Golang, and that bridge will allow you to connect directly using QR code scan. So you can connect with the bridge directly with the QR code, and the QR code connectivity will done with reference of account, whatever account you have. And we developed the WebSocket connectivity along. Previously we used the HTTP connectivity also, but as far as the connectivity and faster response concern, Odoo inbuilt server supports WebSocket connectivity. So we added a WebSocket connectivity with that. So using WebSocket, it will permanently connect with the bridge, and the response is much faster compared to the previous version of WhatsApp connectivity. But that is the specific to a WhatsApp. But on top of it, we developed AI agent with that. So obviously, how it works with AI agent, that is a big question. So I will show you about that how it will allow you to LLM provider with system prompt, and then we have a RAG system where we can update our own knowledge base, and that knowledge base, along with that knowledge base, you can raise any query, it will answer based on that. And we use the 70% semantic search and 30% which is a keyword search, and the combination of that, it will give the top 3 or top 5 results, and that will be passed along with the system prompt, whatever we pass. So LLM provider can respond based on that. So beside this, I think I already covered a lot of demo previously. So I will put some description all the existing app store module which is already available related to that. But if you really want to implement all this part for your own purpose, you can just contact me, reach me. We will implement whole complete system for you. So let's go with over here. You will see over here, this is my WhatsApp connectivity, and you will check that this is my one of the number. This is my own internal number where I communicate with AI agent with all the query, including the image specific query also. So multimodal functionality also supported. Based on that, it responds the image specific part also. It also give you my own role, like who is Vinay Rana, so it give me the profile of me, and this is completely reply based on my private RAG implementation. I can show you that also. So over here, if you can see my screen, over here we have a WhatsApp connectivity, and we have a WhatsApp gateway. This WhatsApp gateway is directly connected with WebSocket. I can check this WebSocket again, and this will be give me the idea about WebSocket that it is connected or active. So this is active now. But this will automatically check every some sorts of 1 minute or something, 2 minutes, and it checks and it will connect it automatically. I can see the connectivity from here, and it will give me the response or notification of that, yeah, it is connected, there is no any problem. It will load all the messages of my WhatsApp, and these all messages are completely stored inside the local SQL database. So it's completely saved. These messages are stored in SQL database, and we syncing that message through Odoo Postgres database also if we require it. Otherwise we are not storing everything, but we require whatever we require, we just cover under top of it. I will show you my mobile connectivity. Means if you want, this is the connection of my number, and you will see that I have enabled AI. So you just enable and disable AI connectivity, and the channel will is connected with that, and whatever the message conversation, it will directly link with over here. I can see all this message with my discussion channel also, so that is also available. Discussion channel also, so that is also available. Yeah, this is the channel where all the messages are loading. But obviously this channel is dedicated to AI agent, so even I type anything and send anything, it won't do anything, because this particular channel is dedicated to AI agent connectivity. So whatever message comes from my WhatsApp message, it will directly go to the AI agent with the RAG functionality and response account. So you will see only the history purpose, this channel is visible for you. Okay. But standard WhatsApp agent functionality, whether it is not linked with the LLM provider, if you create a conversation channel with WhatsApp connectivity, you can communicate directly with Odoo with that WhatsApp channel. So that is also possible. But for now, because that part is already developed previously, so I am just covering the new thing, and the new part is LLM provider connectivity. So we support all the LLM provider, and this any provider, OpenAI, GitHub Copilot integration also done, Anthropic, Gemini, Open Router connectivity is also there. So you can link with any, and obviously we have a system prompt connectivity is also there. So you can link with any, and obviously we have a system prompt. So system prompt is updated for WhatsApp separately, and the same functionality is available with live chat also. So Odoo live chat also integrated with the same way. So we use the same kind of bridge, but develop a separate module for that. So over here we have a RAG, and this RAG is supported the knowledge base. So you can see that the WhatsApp knowledge base is, these all are the IR attachment which is added inside my database, and each attachment is actually divide the chunks in a paragraph meaning way and stored it with the PG vector storage for the Postgres. And this is again, it's a local storage with the PG vector enability part, where I have updated my company profile, my services FAQ, module catalog. So all the App Store module are also available along with the price also. So all this, and even I have added my YouTube channel video detail also as a, so if anything I ask related to YouTube functionality, it will answer that also. Blog, all the blogs are also available. So this way I can enhance my knowledge base, whatever it is completely dynamic. You can go with the document and you can add n number of documents, txt file, and add it with the knowledge base. And obviously it is connected with the live chat functionality, means the channel. Obviously this is my channel configuration, where I have added my channel with the language configuration of OpenAI model, and I have a RAG configuration where it supports PDF, docs, means the attachment file, any file with the hybrid search, vector and BM25 search. And you will see that 70% weight will be the semantic search and 30% weight will be BM25, but you can have option for both other option also available. So this is also a separate module, and it can be worked individually. That is also possible with the Odoo inbuilt system. But I have linked this particular RAG module functionality and LLM provider with WhatsApp agent. So let's check the WhatsApp. So I just start my mobile, connecting mobile directly, so I can show you something over here. And this is my number, where you will see the same conversation I show you already over there. So over here, if I put my conversation like hello, immediately it will bridge with my production DB, and it will respond me according to. So it should be 3 or 4 second delay are there, not more than that. You will see it give me the last history conversation, so it will go for the memory also. Based on feedback, it will give me the last message response memory also, that this is the last conversation what I have. Now I am asking him, can you provide, can you tell me about construction industry module and its detail with version 18. So I directly asked the construction specific module, and that we already implemented for one of the clients. So it responded me, it will search that particular module, and it give me the URL also. So I can click that URL, and the URL I can open that module also. So that is also possible. I can show you that particular URL from here, because mirroring is a read only, so it won't allow me to open that, but I can show you over here. So you will see the module is open from my app store. So this way it will communicate with you for any way. It supports the multimodal, so multimodal support is also there, so I can record my volume and ask something, it will respond that also. Let me try it. Tell me about, okay, so tell me about your recent manufacturing implementation in version 18. So let's check how it responds, and then we will record one audio again for the same. So obviously it give me now it's responded properly, that it's auto pack manufacturing demo where we have a 2 level and blister packaging connectivity. So it's answer me properly about that. I'm looking for AI universal for looking for AI agent for Odoo 18. Is there any app available with you? Yeah, so now it give me a AI agent universal module along with that, and it responded correctly, because this particular module provide me a Pydantic AI agent functionality for that. Okay, I can ask him, can you share me module URL from which I can purchase this. Let's check. Is it provide me that particular URL or not? You can purchase, yeah, so it give me the VPCS cloud and from shop, but I can ask a specific, because it's a prompt specific part, so that's why it give me a generic answer. But if I ask specific module specific part, like AI agent universal module, can you share me detail? Can you share me detail about AI universal module in version 18? Module in version 18. Let's check. AI universal module. Now let's check. It responded with the URL or not. Yes. Now it's coming with the URL of that module, because I give the exact name of that app. So the catalog specific knowledge base give me that particular keyword search, and the keyword search enable for 30%. For semantic search, it may not get the specific detail. That's why it respond me differently over here. And I can open this URL over here and click it over here. and yes, it corrected me and gave me the exact URL about the universal module, whatever is created from our side. So this way I can check one more thing about the audio connectivity. Ask the very specific module using audio in English, and then what it will respond me properly or not. Okay, so let's take two specific example over here. Okay, so let's take two specific example over here. Give me the module about subcontracting with work order configuration in version 18. Order configuration in version 18. So over here I ask a very specific module which is available in our app store, and let's check it will give me the answer on that. Yeah, it answered me along with the URL. So the audio functionality is working very well. And this particular URL is also give me a proper result. Yes, this is working very well. Okay, so that's it. I think this is enough for you, but you can check all the conversation, whatever the conversation is already monitored. You can monitor all the conversation over here. Even the messages are also there. Each messages you can open and check that whatever the audio and traceability part, and you can easily trace that part because you can check each and every message, whatever you send, along with the AI response that is visible. If you record the audio, you can download the audio, check the audio that this particular audio is in which language, it's language in Arabic or it's a normally other language. So I think that's it. I think you can communicate me, you can reach me if you are looking for the implementation of this particular part, because this is very interesting implementation. Currently I am using this particular implementation for my own purpose, which is working smoothly. There is no any blocking or error I face. However, during the testing there may possible few corner cases I found, but that is okay. We can improve it, we can fix it very easily. That's not a big deal for at all. And thank you very much. Bye bye, see you.